We are here at Lynton Convict Hiring Depot and was first built as the Port Gregory Convict Depot in 1853. It is the most intact example of a regional convict depot in Western Australia. The supervisor, Captain H.A. Sanford, built a homestead nearby during 1853 called Sanford Homestead and named the depot as Lynton. The depot building, designed to accommodate up to 80 convicts, was not completed until 1855. Until then, resident convicts lived in canvas accommodation more than half of the overall period of operation of the hiring depot. The number of convicts staying at the depot varied between 5 and 40, with other convicts away, hired out for service. Let's go take a look inside. As you can see, this building has been carefully restored and is enclosed with a roof. The information boards inside provides you with a lot of information about the depot. Contrary to popular belief, the hiring depot wasn't a prison per se. It primarily served as a temporary holding facility. The lockup that we are heading into was reserved for short-term incarceration or awaiting transfer to Fremantle for serious crimes. The narrow sections between walls at the back here you can see were the cells. The only reason I did not go any further was because I was worried there could have been snakes or something in the long grass. Lynton grew to include an administration block, store, bakery, hospital, a separate lockup, and lime kiln, and a well which was originally built to provide water for Lynton. But the water from the 18-metre deep well was brackish. A separate well was created half a kilometre up the bank of the Hutt River. Let's go to the last building I can see, the magistrate's quarters.
Welcome. Let me introduce myself. I am Magistrate William Burgess, who presided over Lynton's affairs following Sanford's departure from duty in the Victoria District. These quarters, a testament to Lynton's enduring history, stand proudly amidst the passage of time. Adjacent to these quarters lies the hospital, completed in 1855, a sanctuary for the ailing souls of convicts, miners and settlers alike. Yet, despite its noble purpose, a shadow loomed over Lynton. Inadequate nutrition and a scarcity of fresh produce were the silent adversaries that plagued our community, often resulting in widespread illness. But alas, high maintenance costs and a severe lack of fresh produce, leading to scurvy among the convicts, ultimately sealed our fate, and by 1857, the convicts were transferred to Champion Bay.